lawyers, I'm talking today about the #1 video production planning mistake for law firms in 2022. There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, online coaching, and self-study courses. I've produced over 10,000 law firm videos in all different styles. Having a video is easy, but having a video that reaches or surpasses your goals is not so easy. While my marketing agency does everything related to signing new clients and streamlining your practice, I think that I'm best known for video production, not only from directing so many thousands of videos and building video studios in law firms, but as the marketing agency tracking the data that proves that the videos reached their goals. Okay, so let's jump into this subject. And today we're going to avoid the #1 production planning mistake that I've seen with video production for lawyers, basically looking back at 2021, but also in 2022. If you don't think about production planning this way, your video can be unusable, and you'll go to all that effort of shooting and find out that you can't even use your video, or worse. This has to do with what I call goal mapping or pre-production planning. You see, before you even get into real pre-production planning like scripts and messaging, locations, crew, gear, talent, we need to map out your goals in such a way that you can high-five your team at the end knowing that the goal was met. Here, I will outline my #1 most expensive mistake for law firms when it comes to creating videos. And first, let me just tell you a quick story. Okay, Tanner, who is a marketing director, he was freshly hired out of law school with a brand new MBA and hired by a big personal injury firm in Tampa. The law firm was clear that they wanted to start Facebook video ads. They were going to run the ads for the next year and had an elaborate strategy for getting new car accident and truck accident cases in the whole state. Tanner developed scripts, hired the videographer, booked the shoot, got everyone's wardrobe right, and the day of the shoot, Tanner got his law firm in front of the camera, and they filmed about 20 videos to the tune of about $1,500 for each video, which is actually a very reasonable price. On behalf of the law firm, Tanner went back and forth with post-production editor to get the branding right for another few weeks, and then finally the videos were all ready to go. They set up the ad, got their account all set up on Facebook, verified everything, got the website connected to the Facebook to track the analytics, and then uploaded all the videos. Tanner wrote the ad copy and launched the ads. Within a few hours, the ads were rejected. And later that day, the whole account was pulled down. I've seen this happen far too many times, and I end up going in to fix it for my law firms when on coaching projects. Tanner didn't read the advertising policies before shooting those videos. This is a huge mistake, but I'll tell you, even if he had read the advertising policies, the point is to avoid Facebook's bots. These are algorithms that pick up certain language in your videos. So here's my valuable tip so that you don't spend thousands of dollars and waste time creating videos that don't work. As lawyers, you know how to interpret these kinds of policies better than any random videographer or brand new marketing director, and it would be in your best interest to understand the policies before you spend money on your videos and have your video ads rejected before you even start. I hope this has been super helpful to you and gives you a ton of inspiration for your new successful projects. Are you ready to know more about video production as it relates to your law practice? Well, today I'm offering a pre-sale with a discounted price. I'm writing a new book. I'm so excited to show it to you. It's called How to Create Law Practice Videos That Persuade, which is going to be out early this year. And we also have a beautifully produced accompanying online course that takes you through everything step by step. This content will walk you through goal mapping, pre-production planning, gear, green screening, branding, post-production, and proving your results. And of course, I'm going to share how best to present yourself on camera. This isn't the kind of content that you can just happen to get on YouTube. So, how to create law practice videos that persuade. This is what you do. You go to my learning center at marycaryu.com, choose the program, put in your credit card information, and then you get an email that gets you started. It's a small investment with a huge upside and no risk because there's a money-back guarantee. But you might say to yourself, Mary, really? Pay before the course is completed? Well, you buy tickets to a show before the show is on stage, or you'll enroll in, a course at your local college. It's the same thing. We are in production right now and super excited to deliver you this content. It's so easy and safe. This is all upside for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.